If this is your first time here and you want to know more about the latest promotions and phones, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button to be the first notified. What's going on, JGTechBlog? It's your boy JG, and we're at the Nubia booth at CES. We're going to be showing you guys the Red Magic Mars phone. This is more of a gaming phone. If you haven't seen the Nubia X review and that phone overview, we'll link it down below in the description. So let's go ahead and talk about this gaming phone. If you're a gamer, this is the phone for you. And we'll tell you right now.
Hey guys, so the processor in this phone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. It's the same processor that's in the Nubia X. This one's specifically designed for gaming. It has a little bit beefier of a graphics card in there. And then one of the other components on here is it actually has a liquid cooling in this phone. So there's actually liquid coming in the sides of the phone right here. And then all the way up into here, these notches in here, all these holes, that's actually to dissipate the heat. So it's virtually impossible to overheat. This phone is meant for like very intense gaming, such as like PUBG, Fortnite, and games like that. The cameras, this one actually does have a front-facing since we don't have the dual screen on this phone. The front-facing camera on here is a 8-megapixel camera, and then the rear-facing is a 16. So you get pretty beautiful photos from here as well. Another great thing about this phone is the starting price is $299. The internal storage goes anywhere from 6 gigs of RAM to 64 gigs internal. And then with this phone, you can go up to 10 gigs of RAM to 256 gigs.
So I would think for $299, they most likely would probably give you 6 gigabytes of RAM and 64 of internal storage.
Yes, sir.
Awesome. And the battery is 3,800 milliamps.
3,800, yep, milliamps.
This is currently not in the US, but hopefully soon this might be coming in.
Yeah, that's correct. The end of quarter 1, so February or March, these should be released. And they should be available on some carriers here in the US.
Awesome. This is Fortnite or PUBG?
No, this is a game that's very popular in China right now, so they integrated it onto their system.
Yeah, the graphics looks amazing on this one.
Yeah, it's very nice for sure.
A 6-inch display, 2160 by 1080. Let's look at the physical features a little bit real quick, if you don't mind. So these are the sides. You have the SIM card slot. This is the power button, right?
So this is actually for gaming mode. So when you're gaming, when you turn that on, so here we have it on. So if I get any kind of notifications, my phone won't alert me. So it can keep you focused in your game. And then when you shut it off here, game boost is off. That'll allow you to continue use to the phone and kind of get you back to where you want to go. One more thing about this phone that's pretty cool. So instead of using the triggers on the back of the second screen like in the Nubia X, this actually has designated triggers on top here. So similar to like an R1, L1, almost on a PlayStation. Very comfortable. They feel good. You know, it's very ergonomic. It feels very good on my hand. Also, the back of this device, instead of just being flat like most phones are, and kind of giving you that bulky, awkward feeling, you can kind of see that it's a little bit of like a mountain and it comes up in the middle. It feels very natural and fits on my hand very nicely.
The design looks beautiful, and yeah, even the feeling, it's not too heavy and it's not too light. It's perfect. And you have the speakers on the bottom. They also have a USB-C down right there, and then it has the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack for those that love that. Quick recap. So this is for $299.
Yes. And
it's currently not in the US market. Eventually, soon, hopefully it's here. What's beautiful about this phone is that it has liquid nitrogen, like a cooling system. So for those heavy gamers, this is a perfect phone for you guys. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when I upload more videos. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.